Hello everyone, I'm here to show you how to install Pieces for Developers on macOS and also install the JetBrains plugin. Open up the install link in the description and click download at the top of the page. The download is a package file that contains Pieces OS and Pieces for Developers. Once you open that download and begin the installation process, note that you may be prompted to enter your password. Pieces OS supports both PFD and the JetBrains plugin, but runs quietly in the background, so you can close that for now. Start off by signing in, and this authentication will apply to all Pieces products, including the JetBrains plugin. After you complete the sign-in process, click this arrow here, and then press continue to complete onboarding. Now, once you open your settings, you can see the plugins in the list. You can click this icon here, and then you can select JetBrains from the list, which will open up the JetBrains marketplace. This has information on the extension, and you can just click Get, and then select the version that is compatible for your IDE from this tab. Once the download completes, open up IntelliJ and click the Settings icon in the top bar. Select Plugins from the list. In the pop-up window, again click the Settings icon and choose Install Plugins from Disk. A file tree viewer will open, and then you can navigate to where that zip is downloaded and select it. Press OK and close the pop-up window. Pieces will install without having to update, and you can see all of your snippets here in the sidebar of IntelliJ. Learn how to use the plugin more in depth here, and for other information, learn more at code.pieces.app.